today's fast-paced manufacturing world, supervisors are the backbone of productivity and team success. But are we giving them the tools they need to lead effectively? Across the industry, many supervisors face challenges that go beyond technical know-how. They're expected to lead, motivate, solve conflicts, yet most are left to figure it out on their own. Traditionally, technical skills have been prioritized over leadership development. This leaves supervisors under-equipped to manage people, coach teams, or even handle workplace tensions. Add to that, the pressure of meeting tight production goals, and leadership training often takes a backseat. Many manufacturing organizations lack formal pathways for leadership growth. Without structured guidance, supervisors must rely on trial and error, costing time and morale. Budget constraints are another hurdle. Companies question the ROI of leadership training, focusing instead on compliance and technical certifications. And then there's the mindset that leaders are born and not made. This outdated belief keeps many companies from investing in soft skills training. It's time we break these barriers. StonePath Business Solutions is introducing the Modern Manufacturing Supervisor Course, a program designed to fill the leadership gap and unlock the full potential of your frontline leaders. Through hands-on training in core leadership skills, such as communication, coaching, and conflict resolution, your supervisors will gain the confidence and skills they need to lead with impact. They will also gain technical skills to successfully lead continuous improvement and change management at your organization while also being a champion for safety. Better leaders, better teams, and better process lead to a more productive future for you and your organization. Break the barriers, build the future, enroll your emerging leaders in the Modern Manufacturing Supervisor course today.